Hi, I'm Andy, the Trend Follower. It's Sunday, the 13th of November 2022. Welcome to this week's review of the different asset classes. I don't know which asset classes can do best, so I follow 7 of them. Shares, property, gold, commodities, cryptocurrency, bonds and foreign exchange. Let's look at shares first of all, and a good rise for the fund that I follow this week. It came up quite nicely. It's tempting to think that the lows are behind us, but I should wait until the price closes above the green line before reinvesting. I need to be patient. It is a bit boring, I know. Let's look at property next, and the property fund that I follow also rose a lot this week. Look at that. It's tempting to invest at this depressed level, but I'm staying in cash. Who knows what's going to happen over the next few months. Gold is next, and do you remember that I was bounced out of my long gold trade a couple of weeks ago? You can see where it closed below the MA52, that red circle there, and I had to buy back in at a higher price. That was a pain. Remember my last article talking about having to reframe that as an insurance cost? This week it's risen up more, which is great. I'm staying completely unemotional about it, of course. Let's look at commodities next, and my commodity investment rose further this week. It's nicely above the green line, so I'm staying invested. Cryptocurrency is next, and lots of negative news for cryptos this week with the bankruptcy of FTX and so on. But my crypto proxy rose up. You can see that down here, but it's still below the MA52, the green line, so no buy signal yet. Let's look at bonds next, and the bonds that I follow rose up a little bit this week, but they're well below the MA52. They're also below the MA26, which is the average price over the past 6 months. So I'm staying in cash. Let's look at foreign exchange next, and the Euro USD, which is what I follow. The Euro USD had a huge rise this week, closing above the MA26. So I'm tempted to make a buy, but I'll keep it modest until it closes above the MA52. Let's have a look at the traffic lights for each of the asset classes. This week, my shares fund is on a red, property remains a red, gold is green, commodities is still green, my crypto proxy is red, only just at the moment. Bonds remain on a red still, but the Euro USD has turned amber. It's risen above the MA26. Is this an early buy signal? I am going to make a little bit of a long trade on Euro USD this week. So what do I have to do this week? Well, open my long Euro USD position and move my commodities and gold stop loss orders up just a little bit. That's all, nice and easy. Do you want to see a weekly update? Make sure you're signed up to my Substack. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is just about what I do. It's not advice. I make no claim about how this strategy might perform for me in the future, and if you copy me, you might end up living in a cardboard box. Regard this as entertainment, like gambling. Have a great week. I'll do another video for you next weekend. Thanks a lot. Bye for now.